Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use AI Manga on CapCut apps. So tap on your project, select the image you would like to edit, and I already have one project here. So tap on the clips, select copy, select this second one, this second one, and you are just going to add style. Select the portrait and select the manga effect and click check mark. And you can also add the transition. Tap on transition icon in the between the clip and select overlay, select then and now. So just for duration to 1.5 seconds, just click check mark. So here we go. This is the final effect you'll have on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.